How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your ASUS ROG Kithara microphone not working. So the first thing that you want to do is to, of course, check whether your headphones is connected properly to your device. Now, there's multiple connection types. There's the wired connection, the 2.4 gigahertz, and Bluetooth. Just select one of those connections and basically you're good to go. Heading over to our desktop, you want to navigate through settings. In here, click sound, which is going to be inside system. And basically from here, you just want to scroll down and make sure that you're able to spot the ASUS ROG Kithara. So make sure that this microphone is selected. Simply click on it. And then inside this page, you want to try different formats. Basically, in some other cases, it won't work with other frequencies or hertz. So you just want to try whether this different frequencies will be able to fix the problem. You also want to make sure to disable the audio enhancements. So with this one, you just want to turn it off because sometimes that can actually affect your microphone. And then let's head over to the main sound settings. Once again, click more sound setting, navigate through your microphone, which is going to be inside recording. Right click on it, click on properties, and then basically for advanced, you just want to make sure that the exclusive mode is disabled, and same thing with the signal enhancements. So in most cases, including myself, if this is turned on like this one, it will simply restrict the usage of your microphone in different applications. So for example, if your Discords already uses the ASUS ROG microphone, it won't allow you to actually use them in another. So just make sure that the exclusive mode is turned off. Same thing with signal enhancement. Click apply, click OK, and you should be good to go. Once again, you just want to make sure that everything is set right here. Make sure to turn off your sound. The ASUS ROG Kithara is selected, and that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.